If you've ever tried cooking 2 dishes at once on a tiny stove, or dealt with uneven heat that turns your steak into rubber while your sauce barely simmers, you know how frustrating it can be. And if you're in a small apartment, an RV, or just need extra burners during the holidays, space and speed suddenly matter a lot. That's exactly where the Nuwave Double Cooktop Induction Countertop Burner comes in. Today we're looking at the Nuwave Double Cooktop Induction Countertop Burner, designed for home cooks who want more control, more flexibility, and faster cooking without installing a full range. It promises precise temperature control from 100 to 575 degrees, dual independent cooking zones, and the kind of efficiency induction is known for. On paper, it sounds like a serious upgrade from traditional portable burners. The real question is whether it actually delivers in everyday use. Right out of the box, the first thing you notice is how sleek and modern it looks. The shatterproof ceramic glass surface gives it a clean, premium feel, and it doesn't look like a cheap dorm room hot plate. It's relatively slim for a double unit, and because induction cooking heats the pan directly instead of the surface, the surrounding glass stays much cooler than a traditional electric coil. That makes it feel safer and less chaotic on a crowded counter. Each side has its own large 8-inch heating coil underneath, and both cooking surfaces are rated to support up to 25 pounds, so you can confidently set down a heavy cast iron skillet or a large stock pot without worrying about stability. The touch interface is straightforward and surprisingly responsive. You get independent controls for each side, which means you can simmer sauce on one burner while searing on the other without having to reset anything. That flexibility is a big deal if you cook full meals rather than single dishes. The interface includes 50 pre-programmed settings and the ability to fine-tune temperatures in 5-degree increments, which gives you a lot of control. There's also a multi-stage cooking function, so you can program different temperatures and times in sequence. That's especially useful for recipes that require an initial high-heat sear followed by a lower finishing temperature. Performance is where induction really shines, and this unit lives up to that reputation. Because it uses electromagnetic energy to heat the pan directly, there's no open flame and very little wasted heat. Water boils noticeably faster than on a traditional electric coil, and the heat response is almost immediate when you adjust the temperature. If you've ever struggled with burners that take forever to cool down or heat up, this feels like a major upgrade. The adjustable wattage between 900 and 1800 watts also makes it more versatile, especially if you're using it in an RV or somewhere with limited power availability. Temperature precision is one of its biggest strengths. Being able to set an exact temperature between 100 and 575 degrees in small increments gives you confidence when working with delicate ingredients like chocolate or when you're trying to nail the perfect steak. Instead of guessing at medium-low, you're actually dialing in a specific number. In practice, that translates to more consistent results, especially for recipes that depend on controlled heat. Noise level is something people often worry about with induction, since there's usually a fan inside. You can hear it, especially at higher power levels, but it's more of a steady hum than an annoying whine. In a normal kitchen environment, it blends into the background. Cleaning is refreshingly simple. Since the surface doesn't get scorching hot like a traditional burner, spills don't instantly burn on. A quick wipe with a damp cloth usually does the trick. Safety features are another strong point. The cooktop automatically shuts off when cookware is removed, and there's a built-in safety lock to prevent accidental adjustments. For households with kids, or even just for peace of mind, those features make a difference. The fact that there's no open flame also reduces some of the usual risks associated with gas cooking. That said, it's not perfect. Like all induction cooktops, it requires compatible cookware, so if you don't already have magnetic pots and pans, that's an extra investment. The touch controls, while modern, can feel sensitive if your fingers are wet or greasy. And while it's portable, it's still a double unit, so it takes up a decent amount of counter space compared to a single burner model. Compared to other double induction cooktops in a similar price range, this one stands out for its temperature precision and programmable features. Some competitors offer dual burners, but limit you to preset power levels rather than true temperature control. Others lack multi-stage cooking or detailed customization. Where this unit pulls ahead is in flexibility and control, especially for people who cook a wide variety of meals that who is this best for? It's ideal for small space dwellers, RV owners, or anyone who needs extra burners during holidays and gatherings. It's also great for home cooks who care about precision and want more control than a basic hot plate provides. If you already have a full-size high-end induction range, this might feel redundant. But for most people looking for a portable, powerful, and precise solution, it hits a sweet spot. If you want to check current pricing or see if it fits your setup, the link is in the description. And if this review helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest, in-depth reviews like this.